Hi friends, my name's Connie and I'm here to show you around Battle Creek Regional Park. Battle Creek Park is split into two sections, the west located in St. Paul and the east located in Maplewood. The east section of Battle Creek Park is the largest nature preserve in Maplewood. This video focuses on the birds and their habitat in that part of Battle Creek Park. The area is rich in diversity and culture, bringing life and energy to those that visit. This park is perfect for those that enjoy a neighborhood community feel. Battle Creek Park is frequently visited for various passive recreation activities throughout the year. A variety of trails are available, including bike trails, both asphalt and natural walking trails, and cross-country ski trails in the wintertime. Woods, wetland, and grassland make up the 840 acres of natural area that provides important wildlife habitat. If you walk along the trails along the southeast boundary of Battle Creek Park, look to the south and you'll see a beautiful open grassland. This is County Corrections property, which has been closed to the public and is being considered for development. A recent study found many rare and declining species in this grassland, including bobolinks and Henslow sparrows. The study found an assemblage of bird species which is unique in Ramsey County and perhaps the entire metro area. If you walk along this grassland during nesting season, listen carefully and you may hear the distinctive tinkling sound of nesting bobolinks. The Friends of Maplewood Nature and other organizations have been working hard to preserve this grassland. We hope that by the time you watch this video, this unique natural area will be preserved as part of Battle Creek Regional Park. Now let's focus on a bird that you might recognize, the blue jay. You can easily identify them by their vibrant blue coloration, white underside, and black banding in their wing and tail feathers. The crest on the top of their heads is used in communication, sitting in a relaxed position when at ease and upright when alert. They are often noisy and mimic many sounds from car alarms to the calls of hawks. Their varied diet consists of insects, grains, seeds, fruit, small invertebrates, and an occasional egg or even nestling. Find them in a variety of forests and especially in those with oak trees. Blue jay feathers contain a brown pigment called melanin, which refracts the blue color that we see. When feathers are backlit, they are actually a dull brown. Blue jays are cousins to another familiar bird, the American crow, and share the common trait of being highly intelligent and social birds. To date, 172 species of birds have been documented on eBird at the Maplewood section of Battle Creek Park and the adjacent grassland. This video is sponsored by the Friends of Maplewood Nature Center and Preserves, a nonprofit organization working since 2007 to promote environmental education and preservation of natural resources in Maplewood, Minnesota. If you would like to donate or volunteer, click on Become a Friend. One of the activities sponsored by the Friends is the Maplewood Nature Camera Club. We encourage participation from all skills and all ages. This is a great way to share your photos and improve your skills. Many of the images in this video were contributed by members of the Maplewood Nature Camera Club. Battle Creek Regional Park has so much to offer, providing beautiful green space near the conveniences of city living. Practice a healthy lifestyle outdoors, enjoy nature, and get outside today.